Hey guys, and welcome back. Okay, last night my student sent me this question here. It is in black and white, kind of boring, isn't it? So, yeah, for qualitative analysis, it's always good to have some colors, yeah, to help us, right? So let's do some coloring here. We change it here to some colors, and yeah, we have a salt R dissolved in water to give a light green solution. Normally, that means our Fe2 plus is present in your salt R, okay? Because when Fe2 plus dissolve in water, it will give a light green solution, right? Well, of course, we need to confirm further, yeah? Okay, so what happened is that when the chlorine gas was bubbled through the green solution, the solution turns yellow. This is another confirmation, right? For those of you who have learned redox, oxidation and reduction, right? You know that when chlorine gas was bubbled through a green solution and turned yellow, that means your Fe2 plus, yeah, has been oxidized by your chlorine gas, and of course that's the green solution will turn yellow. All right. But of course, if let's say you have not learned, you can still solve this question, not to worry, okay? Because some of you, when you do qualitative analysis, you have yet to cover the redox, yeah, not to worry. Okay, on the addition of aqueous sodium hydroxide, okay, addition of aqueous sodium hydroxide means you're testing for your cations, right? To a sample of the two solutions, means the green and the yellow. The green solution gave a green PPT. Ha ha ha. This is just to confirm again Fe2 plus is present. And the yellow solution that you know that it contains Fe3 plus gave a reddish brown PPT. This is another confirmation that your yellow solution here will have Fe3 plus because it has been oxidized by a chlorine gas. Remember, your green solution being oxidized by the uh, green chlorine gas. Okay, and the next part, of course, upon the addition of nitric acid followed by aqueous silver nitrate, this is to test for the presence of chloride. Okay, the presence of chloride. Okay, and when to the green PPT, okay, to this green solution, it means your R. Okay, it means your Fe2 plus. We are trying to find whether chlorine is present. Okay, and voila, a white PPT was observed. Confirmation, Cl negative is present. Okay, so based on the observation, suggests for the identity for R. Well, let's go through again. We know that the green solution here, right? The salt R dissolved in water to give a light green solution. That means Fe2 plus is present, right? And chlorine gas bubble through the green solution here and it turned yellow. That means it has been oxidized F into Fe3 plus. Okay, on the addition of aqueous sodium hydroxide, the sample of the two solution, right, to the samples of the two solutions, the green solution gave a green PPT. That means confirm Fe2 plus is present. Confirmation. And the yellow solution, right, the yellow solution that will turn out to be Fe3 plus. This is to confirm it become reddish brown PPT is given off. Well, of course, this is a confirmation of Fe3 plus for your yellow solution there. All right. And test for anions, addition of dilute nitric acid and followed by aqueous silver nitrate. This is to test for the presence of Cl minus chloride ion. And to the green solution, right? To the green solution, to the Fe2 plus, right? A white PPT observed. This white PPT is your silver chloride, AgCl2, right? AgCl, sorry, is a solid, right? AgCl, because Ag silver is A plus, right? And Cl minus. So combine, the formula will be AgCl. Yep, solid form, and the color, of course, is white. And of course, the identity for R will be none other than FeCl2 2, iron 2 chloride. Okay, some students still confused how I get FeCl2 because it's iron 2 plus, all right, combined with Cl minus. Okay, why Cl minus? Group 17, 17, so 10, 17 minus 10 is 7, group 7, all right. So you need one more electron, remember? Okay, so when you cross, we get FeCl. The 2 here courtesy from iron 2. Okay, so your formula for iron 2 chloride is FeCl2. Done deal. Of course, this one has to be solid. All right, that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.